going on, YouTube? Kid.com coming to you today, man. Today we are at WashLabs, man. We are getting the RX-8 wash. And this is actually my first time coming to WashLabs. It's right out of university. And they do hand washes. So, just came to get some content today, man. Post something on the YouTube for you guys. And make a couple reels and shorts. And I definitely will be getting back to you guys.
I'll drop the shit, man.
Michele Corleone.
There are people who pay a lot of money for that information.
Ci sarebbe parecchia gente che pagherebbe paghesse picciole per un'informazione così.
But then your daughter would lose a father.
Allora vostra figlia perderebbe un padre.
Instead of gaining a husband.
So yeah, you guys, back to you guys, man. I had pulled off from fucking WashLab, and I didn't get another fucking clip before I left. So I got down pulled over to catch the sun before it went down, man. And I'm really impressed with the job you guys did. Inside and out for me. Got the seats looking all good and stuff, man. RX-8 logo and stuff looking good. Wipe down and vacuum in the inside. Yeah, so I had to make a car update for you guys, man. Everything going pretty fair. Haven't posted in a couple of weeks, so I had to give you guys some good footage for today, man. To check out the car. And yeah, so I'll be getting back with you guys soon.
Like timber.